access the same strategy I use to live trade every day completely free for 3 days. No cards, no catches, no payments up front, just pure education just for you to grab and hold. This is the Whoop channel that we launched a couple of days ago, and the education over there is being laid out for you completely free. You can see the models over here as they basically synchronize with the syllabus that offered online. You can basically browse through the videos and basically get yourself a free education for 3 days. And after this, if you choose to lock it, it's only $49.99 and you can lock it for a lifetime. The same course we used to sell for $500 now being offered for you in $49.99. We heard you. We saw the DMs, we saw the comments, we saw the emails. You guys want to jump into the water and try to know how to basically dominate the market. We offer you today all this for $49.99. Of course, you can have it completely free for 3 days for you just to jump and experiments. Of course, I am going to put the links in the bio and in the description box. It's for you to grab and hold. We're looking over here about the elite course. There's about 10 models for you to go browse around, educate yourself completely for free, as well as 3 days completely free Discord access even for a VIP members. And I want to show you as well the Discord channel in a bit. Let's see how does it look for a sec. I'm not sure if you see it right now. Basically, I'm gonna try to share the screen with you as well, and in a bit we're gonna see it. And now what we're looking at is the Discord channel, where basically our community is more active. We can see basically over here all the market overview is being daily posted for you guys. You can also as well go browse around, see the market overview. The cover that we did for the last couple of months is all uploaded within the Discord channels. Of course, with as well for this, you're getting completely free access already if you want to level up, or you want to be a premium member, or a VIP access where you can find out all the secret rooms over here for the VIP. You have the chart of the week and the winners losses. Of course, the general chat of our traders. You can see it's an active trade. Basically, all the call-ups and all the I call it trade alerts, etc., that we offer within the channel. Of course, those of you who choose to copy trade can always jump on the more premium and VIP rooms when we have a more live conversation. Of course, this offer for you for 3 days for you to grab and hold fully access to the course and to the Discord channel. We can basically experiment, join the community, and trade. I want to give a warm welcome to all the new members in our Discord channel, and of course for all the support that you guys showed through the journey, the comments, the emails, basically the affiliates, the new affiliates program that we launched about a week and a half ago. If you want to choose to be affiliate with Vessel Futures Trading, making money while you trade, all the details are being offered in the in the website for you. Basically, it's easy to apply, as easy as quick. Just send an email for us to review and submit it, and we will make you an affiliate with us. And the terms are on the website. It's literally so easy to make money while you trade today with Vessel Futures Trading. And I want to thank you again, as always, for showing the trust in us and for the community to keep on growing. Thank you all the new traders, and as usual, I'm gonna see you in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.